Hey y'all, how's it going? Alice from TexasGalStudio. Welcome back to my channel. It's Monday morning. I went for an Orange Theory fitness workout, and look, as you can tell, I am drenched. It was a very, very spicy one. I loved it. It was, today's May the 4th, so obviously I wore my BB-8 socks. I'll show you guys in a bit.
No, I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it.
Okay, multitasking at its finest. I just got home. I'm making lunch. I don't know if I've ever showed you my new washer. We've had it maybe for about a week, so just wanted to show you. So it's still digital. We were trying to go away with the digital, but I mean, it has the dials here, the dials here. I'm gonna do whites, so put the whites right there, and then I'm gonna do, I don't like to do hot, I like to do warm. And then here, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need the max because I have a lot of whites that piled up. So this is what I was talking about. It has a large agitator. I don't know, maybe I'm just old school, but I feel like a large agitator works better than the short ones. I could be wrong. So either way, it's so pretty, it's so clean, so we're just gonna put this stuff to wash and then go get lunch going. Well, it's already going. I'm making chicken. Put all the whites, and then here I just hold to start. So I guess it is still digital, so we're still gonna have to use one of those long strips that, like a power surge, I think that's what it's called. No, power surger, I don't know, something that protects from the digital messing up when there's thunderstorms and stuff like that. That, or if I know a storm's coming, don't wash and unplug it. I don't know, but for now, yeah, that's what we have. We're washing with this washer, and hopefully it'll last us a very long time. Let's vlog this. It is 2026. Let's knock on wood. Hopefully this lasts a good 10 years without giving us trouble. Let's go finish up lunch. I just dropped sugar. So right here, this is the chicken I made for lunch. Then I didn't record or document any part of my day that day, but that same evening I made pasta, ground beef, so this is dinner, and we're just watching Golden Girls. Then here we went to a company or a dessert place called Cookie Co. This is the following day, and we took the kids for some cookies. And we also went to IKEA because we've never taken them to IKEA, and I think IKEA has been open already for a year here in McAllen. So we took them to IKEA as well. No? What about it? Explain to me. Come on, please. Cinco de Mayo. I went to go work out and they had Cinco de Mayo theme. So I'm all themed out. I just sneezed, so that's why I'm sniffling. I stopped at a red light, it just turned green. Okay, I'll come back and talk about that. Today what I ended up doing was strength, and that was just all lower. So we did a lot of squats, we did a lot of heavy weight with squats. What else? It's just a lot. I'll show you what I ended up, I guess. I haven't even seen the splats because I wasn't in front of the screens like when you're on the tread. So I'll come and screenshot that and put it here and show y'all how strength looks like. Hello.
Did you get the look that you were going for?
We just came over to State Park in Westville so we could take some pictures. As soon as I get those proofed and edited, I will show you those pictures. So senior pictures for McAllen with the Girl Scout vest. So right here I'm going to show you how I create my hand sugar scrubs. For Mother's Day, I'm using sugar, regular granulated sugar, coconut oil, which is organic, and I do use some essential oils that I purchased from Michael's. I bought these little containers at IKEA when we were there the day before, and this is just a fun, cute little gift that I want to give my sisters and mom. We are going to Michael's. I need to purchase some, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's a cap. Like, what the heck is that? I need to go purchase some E6000 for my daughter because she's making her masquerade mask. And then I need to purchase some flowers because, as y'all saw, I did some sugar scrubs and I'm going to put some of the artificial flowers there. Okay, let's go. Where, Michael's?
I just sneezed and the guy wasn't.
Yeah, he said, yeah, he said. Let's do this. So right here, my daughter was invited to a fashion show held by Goodwill. This is the first year doing it here in South Texas. And so we are super excited just to be going over to that event. We're just sharing what our outfits look like. And yes, everything was actually purchased from Goodwill. So that was super exciting that we were able to wear dresses that were purchased from the Goodwill in Edinburgh.
Hi guys, me and my mom are here at the Work the Runway of South Texas, and we are just waiting to be let into those doors. It opens at 5:30. It is currently 5:09 right now, and we're super excited.
Oh, and we're wearing Goodwill items too.
Oh yeah.
So there you go. We'll show you in a little bit.
Let's go.
Right after the fashion show, Micaela had her last concert of the year, and we headed that way quickly. Hubby was already waiting for us.
Hi y'all, Michaela here. I just want to say thank you so much. I want to thank my parents for being part of the band this year, always there to support me. I want to thank my band directors, Ms. Guerrero especially. She has taught me so much in these 4 years, and I can't thank her enough. I also want to thank all my friends, to name a few, Jerry, Derek, just Everybody made band so much like a family, and I couldn't imagine my life without you guys.
Next up, Home Depot. It seems like I've been at Home Depot since I started spring cleaning, even way before, but it's been a year at Home Depot, hasn't it been? So right here, I'm going to slow down the tempo of this video so you may see the hail that we received. We had a storm come in and there were so many little pebbles that I was able to witness. It was unbelievable. Looks like blueberries. You sure?
These blueberries.
That one looks like a Hetan cheesecake.
Biscoff.
And that one. I hope y'all enjoyed this week's vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. Reminder to give me a thumbs up. That's how my channel grows. And send me comments. Let me know what you think. Are you enjoying these vlogs? Do you want to see something different? I will be back with more. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all. In case I haven't mentioned it, I just want to mention it again if I did. My son made it to the DCI Colts. We're super excited for him and what his show will be bringing this summer. So stay tuned for that.